Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim on this World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 1st to the 13th, January 1st to the 5th. Models good agreement depicting a ridge here across western North America, and we have a trough here in the east. The trough will result in a cyclonic flow with an embedded vorticity centers. These vorts will reinforce the Arctic air mass across the east. A disturbance along the central and eastern Gulf Coast on Wednesday may eventually phase somewhere over the western Atlantic. Shortwave energy may push inland into the west and spread precipitation inland. The cyclonic flow across the lakes will result in more lake effect snow. Heavy rain is forecast for the Gulf Coast states, and depending what happens with the western Atlantic could result in some wintry precipitation across the northeast and mid-Atlantic by late next week. There's still a large spread within the models. I'll be getting into that more another day. We still have time, and temperatures will be below normal from the Rockies to Atlantic coast. Widespread precipitation is forecast in the west from northern California into the northern and central Sierras, with snow in the higher elevations. January 4th to the 8th. Here we are at the 4th. The pattern doesn't change very much. Here we are at the 4th, and we look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement and maintaining this ridge across western North America, trough in the east, but we have a trough here over the eastern Pacific that will eventually push inland and bring a change in the pattern. That will be in the next period. So we're looking at the models. They're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures forecast for this region here. Forecasting anomalies of 5 to 10 degrees. I think this might be a little overdone showing anomalies here. I think this is the European ensembles showing anomalies approaching 20 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest, and also for most of the areas from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, except for the portion of the northern mid-Atlantic and the northeast. The probability of occurrence here is 30%, and the probability here of below normal precipitation is 30 to 55%. January 9th to the 13th. Now this is GFS, and the GFS kind of maintains this pattern as we go through, maybe slight weakening or relaxation of the flow as we go to the 12th. But if we look at the rest of the models, look at this. This is the European ensembles, and it brings lowering heights here in the west, rising heights in the east. And then we look at also the Canadian, and then we also look, this is the European weeklies or monthlies. This goes out to January 15th. So there'll probably be a pattern change, but still, I'm going to show you the temperature anomalies, still below normal temperatures. So we're forecasting above normal temperatures for this area here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures still are forecast. I think this is GEFS. Forecast anomalies of about 2 to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Below normal precipitation is forecast here. Probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. Above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is again 30 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 1st to 13th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.